Hmm. All right, so we good to go. I get everything set up on the stream as far as the thumbnail, playlist, all that good stuff. All right, cool. All ready to go. Let's do it. Let's do it. So, starting the same way pretty much every day. Start with the daily time frame. We see that price is just on a run, just running up. That's all price been doing, just buying, 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 buying. But ultimately, none of that really matters when your average trade time is 22 seconds and 1 minute, 7 seconds and 20 seconds. But I do like to drive on the correct side of the road if I have a choice. But it's just so hard when you are at all-time highs with no ranges to the left. So if we do start breaking above here on the daily, we do have a wick to fill right here, which is 153 pips. So there definitely is a way to get up there. Just kind of have to see how we're going to get there. So that's how I start with the daily. I go look at the 4 hour. 4 hours not really doing too much. I mean, we're printing side by side. And when we start getting these highs, price just starts stuttering around until it wants to go off. So it'll stutter, take off, stutter, probably take off, stutter, take off. So let's see where the 1 hour stands. The 1 hour is where I really start marking up my zones for the most part. So you see I haven't touched my chart since I've been here yesterday. But if I wanted to now identify a resistance, it'd likely be right here. So like y'all always hear me talk about the ceiling. So this is the ceiling, green candle, red candle. What happened when this candle didn't have a top wick right here? Y'all know that I teach that when candles don't have wicks, it usually means that it's going to reverse the opposite direction. No wick, no range to fill. So there's a wick on the daily right here. So when it breaks this high, it should fill this wick right here at some point. But when you have a candle that closes with no wick, it pushed up a little bit and fell down. So I'm really just hanging out, honestly, right in this range. Y'all know when we come here, usually we're in a range. So we got all these candles printing basically side by side. You got candle going up, candle coming down, candle going up, candle coming down, candle hanging out in the middle. So this is what I would identify as a no trade range. This wasn't a bad move on the 15 minute if you like really just wanted to trade a range. So you see how this candle, or these two candles right here, this candle closed below these two candles right here. Entry on the break of this low with a stop loss either above here or above the previous candle, targeting like kind of down into here, and it played out. But like I said, I don't really too much play the range game, and it was before I usually sit down at the chart. So that happened at 8 o'clock, 8:15. So for now, just mostly waiting, likely on a closure above these resistances right here, targeting probably somewhere into these areas right here. So you see how price rejected right here, right here, right here. So this might not look like such a big range, but it's still 50 pips to take advantage of up into here. So that's not bad. And then sells the same way the sell played out yesterday. If I got a closure under here, I would anticipate that it can come down into this next area right here. So notice, like I said, I haven't touched my chart since yesterday, and it's still respecting the same zones that I identified. So it was kind of like yesterday where we said, look at this area that it just keeps respecting. So price is just a repetition of itself, like I always say. So that is now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, basically 19 wicks that came right into this zone and didn't close below. So if I do get a candle that closes below, I anticipate that it should easily come into this area, maybe have a slight issue right here, but that's already 35 pips away from right here to right there. But let alone with volume, 830, 915, 930, you could be able to come down into here. But usually all I'm looking for is 20, 25, 30 pips. So if I can identify a zone in which is 70, you can't tell me that I can't squeeze out 20, 25, 30. So that's kind of what I'm just looking for now. Closure above here, closure below here. I can go to the 15-minute, kind of the same story, quite honestly. 15-minute candles, closure below here, closure above here. If it did close above here, the daily high is 40.67-ish right there. And look on the right side and see the daily high, 40.67. So if we did get a closure above there, I would anticipate that it could give a quick jolt, but I would like to be in earlier than 40.67 and let that jolt be the finishing move rather than it being my entry if I have a chance to do so. So right now, just chilling, just hanging out, waiting on either a closure below here or closure above here, but I'm not doing anything when candles are just printing side by side. This is where people lose a lot of money. Let's see. And as y'all always know, everything I just said is recorded on YouTube each and every day. So feel free to go back and listen to it. Daryl, what did you trade yesterday?
No, sir, I did not. I was working yesterday.
Okay. I'm 24 pips away from my next payout, bro.
Nice.
Staring down the barrel. I see it.
Nice.
That would be the worst. That would be the worst time. You'd be like, man, I'm right there.
How'd it go yesterday?
But, across all my accounts, I made 14.5.
Nice.
10 on Monday, 9 on Friday, 8 on Saturday, 14 on Wednesday. So just trying to stay consistent. And it's funny because I took 2 losses yesterday to start the day. First trade was a break of the daily, all-time highs. And I ain't really messing with that no more. I liked it, but now that we're getting to all-time highs, it sometimes has that follow through and sometimes doesn't. I'd rather just wait on them closures that I know hit more times than not, rather than playing the game. And then I took a break of a low after getting out of the all-time highs, and it wound up playing out, but I cut it at like -20, and then it fell out for like 200. But it's all good. Got it back on the next trade because it was like I hit for like 42 or 43 pips. So that's why you see these big numbers. That's on a 9 for 41. So it's all coming together. On these Lucid accounts, I've reached the 9,000, 87.59, 87.17, and 86.87. So now I just got to get my consistency under the 20%. and then that'll be my first payout with them. So with them, you get 100% of the first 10,000, and then you get 90% from then on forward. So if I did my math right, I think I'll get like 14.5 or something like that.
That's what I'm waiting on.
Yeah. And then with Tradeify, I just need to get to 4,500 on these, and then I'll be green with those two.
So I'm waiting on. Yeah, I'm just trying to get nothing but 150 accounts, but that 9,000
at this point, it's a climb, and that's why I told people, I'm like, I'm all for the 150Ks, but like 6K is like riding a bike. That last little 3 is a bitch. That last 3 is tough. Because I was close like a week and a half ago and took a couple losses in a row, and you go from 7,000 to 3 or 4, and it happens fast. But if you would have just need to get 6, you're right there. But the drawdown is just immaculate with 150Ks. That's the thing.
Like I could work with the drawdown on the 100K, where you only need 6, but I prefer the drawdown on the 150.
Exactly, so especially when it's all the same thing. Even if it takes you another 2-3 days, like you might as well if you know what you're doing.
Yeah.
So sitting good, and then I got these per dia capital accounts, 1559, 1565, and 1744 in 5 days. So once I get to 10 days, wherever I stand, I'll likely be over 3. And if I am over 3, you can pull out the whole 3 if you want to, but I'll probably pull out like 1,000 or 1,500 and then just use that. Keep playing with that. So, God willing, it'll be like 14.5 from them. I think like 10.8 from them because they do 90% off the rip. So 10.8 from them, and then another 4,500 to 5,000 with them. So that'll be a $30,000 payout cycle. And that'll be dope.
Yeah, per dia, I just I hadn't heard of them until you mentioned them earlier in the week, and and when I looked at it and I saw they do Tradeivate, I was like, okay, that's a no-brainer there. I'm really trying to stick with Tradeivate if I can.
Me too. So on Lucid, thankfully, they're allowing you to do Tradeivate now, but I got to hit the profit target before they switch over my data, which is fine. But it's helped me and hurt me. So thankfully, I've gotten it back, and it's played out to where it's been to my advantage. But I'd rather just clean slate it 1-to-1. What happens on one account is what happened on all of them. Like, for example, yesterday on my Tradeivate account, I think I hit for like 35 or 36, and Lucid got me out at like 41 on 9. So that's an extra 450 per account. Like, that's great. But in the same token, it has messed me up and messed up my stop losses too. So I'd rather not keep playing that game. And for everybody that wonder what we're talking about, it's a trade copier. So with these trade copiers, you can connect Tradeivate and Project X. So this is Project X right here, and this is Tradeivate right here. So I have about half and half Project X, half Tradeivate. And there's a little bit of latency when it comes to the Tradeivate copying to Project X and vice versa. Not anything that's just terrible, like not anything I wouldn't deal with, but I'd rather be trading them all the same or most of the same if I can. So my live account through Top One Futures is with Project X. They don't have Tradeivate. But Lucid Trading just last week released Tradeivate when they also have Project X for Tradeivate, or for Lucid Trading. My fault. So that being said, don't let me talk over y'all's head. But when you start getting the copy trading and all that stuff, you want a platform that copies and syncs with the same broker, essentially. Because a latency can help you, but it can also hurt you. So
to a payout,
I like it.
Them couple of ticks or pips or whatever you call them, they meant
on 9s and 8s and 7s. That's a lot.
Yeah,
that's a lot. Because that's the reason I ain't paid out right now. Because I can't say that because, like I said, it's helped me and hurt me. So I'm about evened out now. I'll just call it there. But I remember one time, bro, it was like 10 pips that I didn't catch. I said, bro, I just caught 30 over here and 20 on my Lucid accounts. What's going on? Mind you, on 8s and 9s, that's $900 per account, $800 per account. That's a lot.
It's a whole lot.
That's a lot. You talking about $800 per times 5. That's a lot. But like I said, it helped me too. So I ain't gonna just act like it did. So yeah, just trying not to get too antsy about it because it's gonna come. I mean, I know it's gonna come. Like I made quote unquote too much yesterday. So I made, if you want to make 9,000, obviously the consistency will be 9,000 times 0.20, which will be 1,800. I made 2020. 2020 times 5 is now 10,100. So that's 9,063. 10,100 minus 9,063. That's like 1,027. Like there's no big deal. It's nothing that I don't trade with anyway. Trade for anyway on these big ass accounts. Like I said, I don't know what my mental will be like if I looked at 8s, but I don't got to, because that's what's the great thing about trading. On my per dia capital accounts, I use 2s. That's it. Let's see.
Another lesson I learned that Tradecopia is that multiplier. I said another lesson I learned this week with Tradecopia is that multiplier. Yeah, Monday I got my feelings hurt. I think I had my numbers too high on my 150 accounts. I got it times so to get to the 9,000, I got it times 3. But now that I got my accounts at the second payout for Tradeify, you only got to get 4,500. So I'm like, all right, let me scale back and go 4s rather than 8s. That's a big difference. And you don't even need all that, because if you're trying to only make 4,500, then that means your consistency can only be 20%, 20 or 25, whichever time you signed up. But that means I can only make 900 in a day. It ain't no point in me smacking for no more than 25 pips on a 4, 24 pips on a 4. No, like 23. So even these accounts, I quote unquote made too much. Like I made 935 one day. When that makes my consistency, it's like 46.76 or something like that. Did it just close above?
Yeah, I was just about to bring that up. Yeah.
It closed above with no top wick.
Not much of a bottom wick either, right?
I mean, it closed above, but like I don't like this top wick. I want a wick like this. Like this can easily do what happened right here. Fell out. So it can go, but I think there's a lot of range left. And even if it closed above here at 9 a.m., I mean, that's a lot of range to go up into here. Now, if it starts breaking these daily highs, which is right now, right there, then it might get going. But I probably will wait just to see if this can, 1, make a bigger bottom wick, and 2, maybe even close above here now. Since if you want to look at the 15-minute, you got a resistance right there as well that is rejecting out of. So I'm probably going to wait on 9. No top wick here and a resistance right here. There's plenty of range up on the 1 hour time frame. Yeah, plenty of range up on a 1 hour time frame. I mean, you're talking about, like I said, up into here, up into here. If it just runs off 60, 40, 50, 60 in the next 10 minutes, it is what it is. But I'm going to be very meticulous with this last trade, considering I need one more move. One.
Understood.
One more move, but it's not terrible for whoever's itching for a trade, because the daily high is about to break right now. You can see best on trade of 8. Daily highs right there. It just broke. So we'll see if it goes. Right there, yeah. So you got very small bottom wick. Yeah, 10 pip bottom wick. Resistance right here. You know what happens on these daily highs as of late. Yeah, you would have seen about, if you would have got in on the break of that high, you'd have seen about 20. I need 24. I need something super clean and super easy. Tony O, man, I don't like you quiet, brother. I don't feel right.
I made a car wash.
Man, make some noise. Are you good? But yeah, Daryl, this has been an interesting little trek for me. Like, it's nice getting the little quick payouts from Top One, my personal account. But man, it ain't nothing like them big 10K payouts, 20K pay. Like that changed the game. That's that separator.
Be there.
Definitely that separator. But it's coming though. I saw a post a couple days ago. It was like when you get your first 10K payout, it's like it becomes easy because now all you know is just leverage. Like it's the same trade. Because I got ever since like this is where it was great, 3,500 at a time. So that was 3,500 times 3, which is 10.5. And I did that again, 10.5. And I did it again, 10.5. But then I got 690s, 327, 218, 583, 304, 256, 352, 207. Like those are great, those are fine and then, but man, send me to the big bucks. 2,500, 3,333, 14,500. That's what I want.
So when you go to a live account, are you getting less money?
What you mean by getting the money? You think they just playing around? It's in my bank account. It's the same. It's normal. It's on my Rise Pay.
Oh no, I'm saying it's like you like. It
Oh,
like the
money, the 80%, or what are you talking about?
Yeah, it seemed like the payouts are bigger on the simulated accounts before they go live.
Technically speaking, and this is just real. On the instant side of things, the funded or the simulated side of things is actually better. Or the payouts in the long, like they want to get people out of this because they know people like me, people like you, people like Jamal, people that's like really starting to stack accounts, or they can't just be giving out 10,500 every week and a half, 2 weeks. So in turn, you're supposed to be quote unquote trading a live account, and in trading a live account, it actually caps you out a little bit, transparently speaking. Because I can only trade damn ones. So, like I said, to make 10,500 the way I was making it, which is every 3 to 4 weeks, what the hell would I have to do on ones to do that? It's taking me 2 months to do this.
Change that though and let you trade more eventually?
It's gonna, yeah, apparently you go from a pre-live account to a live account, which is fine. Like I said, that's why it's funny. I be doing a little BS on this account because I don't really care about it, like not to be like I'm too big and bad but like I just don't care about how small these little payouts are when I'm going for the gusto. I'm trying to get 15K a payout. I ain't worried about $200. I ain't really worried about $250. I ain't really worried about $300. I'm trying to get 3,000 times 5. That's what I'm trying to do.
So yes. Stupid question is like when they tell you, hey, we're moving you to a live account, you can't be like, no thanks.
No, sir. You have no choice, unfortunately. And then at some firms, you can't even buy no more simulated accounts because you've shown too much consistency. Bro, it's a business for them too. They got to protect their heads too. They would just be giving them, bro, they would just be giving money away if they just let us stay on these simulated accounts for forever. Because think about it. I'm on a $9,000 account. I'm in a little drawdown right now. A $9,000 account right now. But I was trading a leverage of 450,000. That's a way different ball game. So with that being said, if you trading a leverage of 450,000 with top one, or 150 times 5, which is 750, like that's a whole different ball game than them giving you one $9,000 account. So they like look at it as it will give you everyday payouts, but you got to prove yourself in a pre-live account for a month, 2 months. Like I'm going on 2 months. I've only been able to trade ones, which is fine. Like I'm not really tripping about it. But best believe I'm putting way more thought into 159, 158, 158, 158, 159, 160, 159. Like I'm putting way more thought into this than I am into this little 9,000. Way more. So that's why I be like, shoot, I'm done on the funded side. But if I do take anything else, it'll be just on my personal account. Oh, I hit for a minus 30 loss on my personal, bro. It was only $300. I was like, I ain't really tripping. Like, but with these, bro, I cut that shit so quick because I can't afford to not. It's about to re-break its high again after just making a bigger bottom wick. So it came down, made a bigger bottom wick. Now about to come up and make a top wick. We got 6 minutes, 50 seconds for the 1 hour closure. I hope that it doesn't keep running off, but like I said, I'd rather just wait. at this point, this late into the 1 hour candle. The same way it just broke the high barely and fell the hell out is the same way it can break the high again and fall the hell out. So me, I'm gonna just wait on this 1 hour closure and hopefully get a down wick. I'm not too much worried about this. This is just kind of one of my targets, but I really think with the volume and with a wick to fill on the daily, like I was talking about, I think this is all gonna get filled today. Like I was talking about at the top of the stream. I'm just kind of chilling right now, waiting on a closure like I do. Y'all know me, I'm scary. So I'm really waiting on a closure. Hopefully this can close like further down, more so like maybe down here, and take advantage of this up, because this is a lot of range up. Even into there is still not bad. So I will see. Just chilling for now though. So on your 50Ks, how much do you risk a day? I don't have 50Ks. I have 150Ks. And I don't have a risk per day. I don't really think about that. I just use my EYES indicator, my eyes. Trading is very discretionary. Everybody has their own appetite for risk. So what I'm willing to risk, you won't be, and vice versa. And I have discernment to be like, okay, I closed out at minus 15 on a 2. So if I close out at minus 15 on a 2, that's minus 300. But if I take a 3 and make 30, that's plus 900. Okay, 900 minus 300 is 600. That's a good day. Like, it's a lot of things that go into each and every thought process. If this closes above this, it's still not bad. Still not bad. So just waiting. If y'all are watching on YouTube, please like and subscribe. Please like and subscribe. PTBZ, I see you ain't subscribed, my boy. Go ahead and drop a subscription, please. Been climbing the last week or so at 357 subscribers. Y'all definitely drop a like. Definitely drop a like. We'll see what we can catch today. Staring down a barrel, 20,000+. We're gonna see if we can do it live on the stream. That's the only time I'm taking trades 9 times out of 10, 99 times out of 100. But what I do here is exactly what I do. I wish I could have found my way in here, but it's funny because I would have got stopped out. Everybody think after you see what happens, you think you would have caught it. Because it's easy to say, like, this candle closed above, this candle wick down, this candle's now coming into the area where I thought it would come into. No, this candle went up. Well, no, it was from down here. This candle went up about 20. I needed 24, so I wouldn't have taken profit. It would have hit my break even. It then fell down for minus 40 right there. Then it came back up to re-break its high. Some people would have been able to hold that, but with the size lots that I trade, I unfortunately would not have been able to hold minus 40 pip drawdown on an 8. That means I'm down $3,200 times 5 accounts. I'm not looking at minus $15,000 if I got anything to say about it. He said, I've been subscribed. I'm gonna call you out. You got a crown now. You didn't have a crown then. That's the only way I can tell. But I appreciate it though. So, the area I identify right here, right there, and right there, price is perfectly rejecting out of. So that's how I say you just kind of want to look left to see where price is heading to next. Right now, we're kind of in no man's land a little bit. It's not bad per se, but I'm just gonna have to see how this candle closes. I would prefer now a closure above here, since this is the 1 hour time frame. If I can get like a 15-minute candle closing above this, I could take advantage of still this range up. So this is still a 78 pip range above here. So it's still a lot of room to go. Like I said, I would have loved to have caught this part, but there's a lot of time left in the day. Price is bullish as hell. We done made a bottom wick all night. Starting to finally come up. Let's see if this 1 hour can close above. If it closes above in the next 1 minute 50 seconds, I will be looking for a down wick and a re-break of the daily high. Once again, I only need 24 pips, so I'm not holding for this full move, but should fill most of this range right here. And yeah, I probably won't take this if it closes like this, just because we're at a resistance. I would prefer a closure above this resistance. Like where we're at right now would be great. So I hope it can hold it. Might get a 9 a.m. trade, but if it just runs off like it did yesterday at 9 a.m., still not taking it. I want a bottom wick, preferably down into like this little area, something to retest. If it just kind of comes down a little and takes off, it is what it is. If it drives, it drives. For me, feel free to take it. Thank y'all for throwing a like. All right, let's see. Let me make sure my trade copy is right. I be checking that shit, Daryl. I be like, man, don't mess with me now.
I reboot it every morning.
Bro, I'm telling you, I'm gonna get my lot sizes right. I got my 2s over here, which means it's time 3 over here. I be checking that thing, boy. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead, set what I'm looking at. So I ain't trying to get too much of it. Hopefully it leaves a wick. Come on now, leave me a wick. Okay. Ain't much of a wick, but it's something. All right, so is it pushing without a wick? Oh no, I can't play. Yeah, I gotta wait till I'm in. So now I need a bottom wick coming down to retest this area. If it does, I'll have a buy stop on the break of that high. All right, I'm gonna have a buy stop on the break of that high right there. Ooh, I gotta go. All right, 40.74. I'm only using this low as my
stop filled.
Okay, let's see. Drag this up. Drag this down. All right, I'm gonna put my sell stop down here. Come on now. Finish the move. 40.74. Come on now. Oh, gotta put my theme music. Every day it's been a loss, then a win. Loss, then a win. Come on, man. I had a perfect. There ain't no managing really. I'm just using a minus 20-ish stop, 26, 27.
Order filled. Stop filled.
That just got me out again. Well, that's new. So that was a break of the breakout, then a breakup again. So if it breaks it up again, I'll have another buy stop again. So annoying, bro. So fucking annoying. There we go. Re-breaking its high. All it is retest it again. I'm gonna set a buy stop again. So fucking annoying. It's just if it respects this, it's gonna go up. If it doesn't, it doesn't. Let's see. Same idea. Re-break of the current candle high. I think I seen like 8. That's so annoying, bro. 47.8.6. So right now it came down to get a bigger bottom wick. I'm going up a size a bit over here. I gotta use the same one over here. Let's see. Is it running into any traffic over here? Nope, not even. It closed above everything, every time frame. It shouldn't even be stopped up until 40.78.6. So lost 27 over here. Nothing crazy. Let's see if we can make its move. every day. I done took that first little loss and then hopefully take a win on the second position. Let's see.
Order filled. Stop filled.
How the hell did that get me in? Okay. Let me drag this down now again. Let me drag this up again. And if it just get me out again, ain't nothing I can really do about it. Let me drag this down. Bro, what's going on? And replay. What the hell? Bro, what in the world? How did that get me in? I did not see that get me in at all. What the heck? All right, now. I did not see that get me in. I'm still in it. Bro, what in the world? The charts are jumpy on me today. Hopefully it's flipped back up. Damn. Come on now, 5-minute candles. Keep flipping up. Well, I saw that draw down so fast. Off of nothing. All right, 5-minute candle just open. So let's see if they can just go. All right, back to BE. If you're scared, get out, like I always say. But this 5-minute has no bottom wick, so that's a little don't love that part. But hopefully, after it makes his bottom wick, re-breaks the highs, you can't just get going. Let's see. Come on, 5-minute candle, push up. This came up and then came down and then came up again. I don't even know. I'm gonna stick on a 5-minute just because that's how I manage mostly. That's how I like looking at the charts, real kind of zoomed in while I'm in. Let's see. 78.4. All right, broke the highs again, up 4. Come on now. Come on now. Damn, it's not wanting to go. Is it running into anything to the left? I want to test my patience out, but damn. Come on now. Just trying to kind of get that back, that last trade back, and then a little something on top of it. All right, let's see. All right, we pushing. Up 7, up 12. I'm not doing anything yet. Scene 12. Be careful. It's running. Scene 16. Still not going stops to break even just yet. Come on now. Scene 13. Let's see. Scene 16. I just want like 30 on this as a little get back. Come on, man. Have a little follow through. All right. I'm looking to do something soon. I just need to keep re-breaking its own high the way it's doing. It's running well. You just never know with these all-time highs of when it's going to slow up. That's the only thing. Don't need this 5 minutes coming to make no lower bottom wick either. You got 1 minute, 28 seconds before this 5 minute candle closes. I would love if I was out before then. All right. Seen about 19. It's still pushing. Feel free to manage how you will. If I can get one more little push, I can be good to go. I think the 5 minutes gonna finish this move out. All right, I seen 20, but I still ain't done nothing yet. I think that I got one more push in me. Well, I got 47 seconds. Let's see what it can do. Let's see if it can finish that out. Once again, I'm looking to the left and I see nothing in my way up into here. It's a gamble though. Like I said, I have seen 20. So that's by my choice not to have close anything just yet. Hoping it don't turn to a loss. But let's see. I'm on a 5 minute, still managing. 20 seconds until the candle closes. The 5 minute candle closes. I expect the next 5 minute candle to give a small bottom wick and then hopefully go ahead and fill this on out. We will see. I'm down. I'm up like down 3. Down 5, down 6. Come on now. All right, let's see. All right, this candle closed weak bullish, but it did close bullish nonetheless. This candle is opening straight up, no bottom wick again. I'm hoping that this candle don't need to come down and create a bottom wick, and it can just fill this wick, break this high, and finish the move on out. But we'll see. I'm gonna be a little mindful if we start breaking this high because no bottom wick on this 5 minute. I'm gonna be a little quick on that exit there. So it's coming close to it. Be careful, be careful, be careful. Come on, 5 minute, push up. I'm basically, oh well, let me get over here before I start talking. Come on, re-break. Okay. Ugh, we getting close. Damn, I don't want to be scary. I think it's gonna finish it out, but I can't take that risk. All right, the 5 minute just filled that wick. Damn, come on, man, finish it. All right, I seen 20 again. If I get back close up there, I probably am just gonna take my profits just because I gotta protect my upside. All right.
Order filled.
Okay, cool. Boom. Cool. I took profit on both of those trades. So over here, after I took a damn loss for no, ooh, look at the exit. Look at that exit. Can't make that up. Can't make that up. Anyway, same idea. This candle got in on the entry, came in and got me out as price came down to make a lower wick. I got back in over here, made 810 on these, or sorry, yeah, made 810 after the loss of 540. So that's what I'm talking about. I lost 27, made 20 something. Let's see what I'm up on all my accounts. Up 10,000 on all my accounts. So that's the power of leverage, and that's what I'm talking about. Yup. And that would have been break even for me. Damn, that was a long trade. So it looks like I made 27. Yeah, made 27, lost 27 right there. And that was a longer trade than usual. That was 8 minutes, y'all. That might be a record. Fucking perfect exit to the T. Damn, I'm good. Oof. Sick. But I'll break that trade down. I'm gonna break that trade down though. So let me go ahead and put it in my trade Zella. So basically, this is what's going on. We got a 1 hour candle that closed outside the range right here. Right? So I'm gonna go ahead and just write this down actually. So I don't gotta write it down twice. Daryl, how you make out in that one?
Well, yeah, I jumped out early. I got scary.
Yeah.
I couldn't do it.
You telling me? I'm with you. Okay, so this is an example again of what the fuck I'm talking about. Like, it's so funny because on my trade or on my Lucid account, I made 1401. I have no clue how. 1401, 1461, 1401, 1131, 1551. How? Like how? I have no clue. But then on my trade Ovate accounts, I made 269 and 239 times 2. So I just don't know. But anyway, let me break down that trade because that took some patience. I'll do it based off of this one, I guess. So, yeah, that was good. Okay, so that was a simple breakout. Why is that a breakout? You see, this candle on the 1 hour time frame closed outside of the range. So 1H candle closed outside of range. Candle or new 1H candle, which is a 1 hour candle, wick down to retest the broken resistance. First entry, my stop was hit because I was using the current candle low. First entry, my stop was hit because I was using the current candle low. Price was not doing anything unordinary, but grabbing a larger bottom wick for more liquidity. Set another buy stop at the break of the current candle high, anticipating the same thing to happen that I expected originally. Yep. 1 hour candle, close outside the range. New 1 hour candle, wick straight down a retest. Retest of the resistance right here. Retest of the resistance. Closure. Retest of the resistance. Broken resistance. The ceiling. Broken resistance. The ceiling. That's it. Targeted. I'm gonna add that. Targeted next resistance / zone to the left. Next resistance to the left. Resistance, 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 resistance. First entry, my stop was hit because I was using the current candle low. Some people put a stop, say, back in the range because the same way it came to get me out, it just kind of was what it was. That's the game I play when using the lot sizes that I use. I use really big lot sizes. So in using big lot sizes, make sure I'm not on all positions. In using really big lot sizes, that means that I really can't sit in that big of drawdown. I don't really have that choice to sit in that big of drawdown. So came and got me out was nothing but a simple retest of the downside. It went by about 5, maybe 6 more pips down. All I did was re-add my entry on the re-break of the current candle high. Boom, came down, boom. And now this 5-minute candle is falling the hell out. Since this entry right here, or since the top of this candle right here, it's fallen 76 pips in the last 3 minutes. What does that mean on a 1? $700. What does that mean on a 2? $1,400. What does that mean on a 3? $2,100. So forth and so on. So now we're once again at these all-time highs. It has filled most of the wick, like I said, I anticipated it would do at the beginning of the stream. Filled most of that wick there. I want to say, damn. Let's see. I'll see what I'm doing. I'm probably done trading my prop firm accounts because I think I hit all the profit targets. I think at least 4 of the 5. At least. Let me select this 004. 004. So I needed to make like maybe 12, maybe 13, maybe 4. I don't know. I can't keep up no more. But the days of me chasing down that last little bit just to try to get it that day, I don't really care about because it's going to come anyway. But I know these are green. I know these work because I only need like 1,200. I don't know if I need 1131, so 004. Don't. Let's see. He said James different. Yeah, you different. I'm not sitting in that. Trust it, bro. Trust it. Just trust it. All done live on the stream. Y'all see my emotions while I'm in it. I can be up, down, or whatever. Got to be stoic and trust that it's going to do what it's going to do. When I was in, I got in at like 0.8 or something like that, 4074.8. That thing went up, 20, came down and finished it on out. And I just trusted the move. That's all I did, essentially. So on my Lucid accounts, let's see what I needed. Beautiful. Let's see what the 004 was talking about. Oh yeah, I did hit it. Damn, I can request all 5 of these payouts today. That'd be like 15,000 from there. Cool. That's all I did. I trusted the move for 10 minutes. Bruh, it's that intuition. Then that's why I be telling people, I'm like, man, I can give you the play, but if you can't beat, let me ask, for example, let me see if you on here. Jamal, did you sit in that? Was you chilling? What'd you do today? If you here. Adrian, I feel like he probably sat in it. Y'all confirm or deny if you at the mic. But yeah, it's like sometimes you just got a feeling like it's about to go up or it's about to go down. But consistency, 20% under 20% on every account, 19.96, bro. Ooh. 19.31, 19.81. All 5 of these can be requested today and will be requested today. Hopefully available tomorrow. That's dope. That's definitely dope. I'm gonna see if I want to take anything else. I'm still here potentially to take something on my live account because I broke even for the day. Minus $6. Like that's break even. So let's see if the YouTube saying anything. I definitely would have been scared and hopped out. I gotta get better at that. It's fair too though. Like it's experience more than anything. Just because like I just trusted the move. I know that I'm looking to the left and I don't see nothing in the way until up here. So if I don't see nothing until the way up here, I ain't gonna be crazy enough to not take the profit up here when I'm only 4, 5, 6 pips away. That's crazy. But I also don't only need to take 10, 15 if I trust that it's gonna keep going completely. Roger, did you take that? Bro, I'm telling you, I saw so much drawdown. It like got me in and pulled back so far. Like that shit pulled back on me. I was like, I didn't even see it get me in. And that's why I was like, shit, I'm here now. I gotta trust it, but damn. He said, I cut it. Couldn't afford to. Oh my I get it though. I get it. No, trust me. Trust me, I do. But that's once again what I'm saying. Like everybody's gonna have different results according to their lot size, their account size, and everything in between. Like, bro, I was looking at -30, like, quick, and I was so stunned I couldn't even do nothing, and the move was just playing itself out. Because as I always tell y'all, when it grabs this liquidity, we hoping that it perfectly taps off of there and goes up. But the real stop loss is the previous 1 hour low. Until it disrespects this motherfucker can come all the way down here and flip all the way back up. The same as way on the daily. The daily candle, I saw it last night. It was straight run down. That was what all this was. Straight run down. But over the course of 1 a.m., 2 a.m., 3 a.m., it's just inching up, inching up, inching up, inching up. But in the grand scheme, that pulled back, shit, 400 pips. So being that it pulled back 400 pips and it's breaking its own high now, it's doing what it does every day. It's just making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. So this was making a higher low go up. And now you got this 15-minute candle that came, grabbed more liquidity to the downside, activated sellers down there, but it's still respecting this same zone to the left that I identified on the 30-minute. Even if you want to use a 30-minute resistance, right there, price closed above that, came down. It's respecting this low, and I'm likely to see that it's gonna come up into here. I'm not gonna sit and play this game when I saw all that up there, but I do know that it should come on up into here and go ahead and fill and probably keep on breaking daily highs and pushing, 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 pushing. So it's a lot of intricate details that go into all of this. And the annoying part about kind of scalping is where you don't hold for very long. The annoying part about scalping is you can get taken out of a trade and have the right direction. It just got you out early. And that's what happens on most of my losses. So I took a loss today on this pullback, this. At no point do I even see a red candle, and I still took a loss. I could have taken 2 losses, but I saw that it started to flip up again. But I'm telling you, if you go to the 1 minute, I got in, that thing came down like this. I got in right there, pushed up 7 and fell the hell out before it finally just pushed up like it was supposed to. So anyone that took a loss on that, that is very fair to have taken a loss, and it's annoying, but you got to stick to your rules. Me, I was kind of like, I mean, it got there so fast I couldn't even do nothing. So that's kind of where I was. Let's see. But if we close like this, where a 30-minute is this close, I don't know. Adrian, you in the chat? Jamal, you in the chat?
Yeah, I'm in it.
What you do today?
See, I'm down for the day. I'm down like 300.
Oh, okay. You on 25s or 50s?
I'm on the 50.
Oh, that ain't 10 pips.
Yeah, that ain't too bad.
That ain't bad. That ain't bad. Like I said, that pullback was so mean, bro.
Yeah, it was. But nah,
It happened so fast. I was like,
I was down like 600.
yeah.
I would say we'll come back. I just stayed there.
Don't call it a comeback. But nah, it's all
good.
Yeah. You positive on the account or negative on the account?
I'm probably negative now because I only had the account like 2 days. So that's like my second trade down. Yeah.
Got you.
But it's not negative much.
Yeah, it ain't. It's funny. I called 300 damn near break even. Damn near. I mean, you throw a 2 for 20. There you go.
Right, yeah.
There we go.
Now that 600, I was in that, you know.
Yeah, that's a whole day setback. That's a whole day setback now.
Right.
But 300 is like, are you talking about one trade? Are you trading twos or are you trading mostly ones?
I threw a couple twos. I threw some twos yesterday, but I've been mainly kind of doing ones. But yeah, I think I am gonna start throwing some twos, to be honest.
Yeah, the 3,000 is a bit of a climb on ones for sure. Because like you got it, that means you hitting for 300 pips positive, not including losses.
Right.
So because you gonna take, bro, I've taken a loss before a win every day this week. Every day this week. Every day.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? So it comes, but then you gonna have a week where it's just nothing but green. And those are the weeks you really maximize. Those are the weeks you really maximize.
I'm just still being, cautious, scared.
Yeah. No, I mean it's for good reason. It's for good reason.
And I'm like you, this all-time high thing is kind of like, it's very unpredictable.
Come on now. What you supposed to do here, bro? What is this?
You're right. Mm-hmm.
I would have loved to have taken a sell, or I would have loved taking a buy down here. Would have been great.
Right.
But like that's just not realistic for me right now, unfortunately. So the best I can do is try to find a closure outside of the range, get a wick down, looking to come up into here. That's the best I can do.
Yeah.
And then you got, let's see. Then you got you got like something like this where you can just start forcing stuff, but you getting real tight at these all-time highs with a down wick of already 40.
Yeah, I don't know. I may just call it for the day. I may take one. If you take one, I'll probably jump in.
And where we at? Probably not. I'll be right back. I'm gonna be right back. Turn my video off. I'm back. I would presume the next move maybe like I wouldn't want to force anything. Maybe like a closure below there, anticipating it to come down into here again. So yeah, that's decent, but it just can keep respecting it. So if it keeps respecting it, then you just waiting and waiting and waiting and waiting. Right there. Yeah. Closure under all these, because what happened every time they respected these, it came down. So what I said yesterday, the way it came down here, 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 you anticipate price just to kind of repeat itself. So while it's respecting it, you would expect it to hold that line and go up. But if it closed back under here, you would expect it to come down. What I will be waiting on, though, to even do that is likely... Oh, there you go. Likely a 15-minute closure below at least. I'd want to see, or it can close back in here. That's also not bad either. Closure under here. Same way it closed under there. Come down. Come down. 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 So either under here or under here. I would like both ideas. But I'll see when I get there. For sure. I'll be on tomorrow. I likely will be on tomorrow. Tonyo. Talk to me. I don't know if I'm taking nothing else, but I'm chilling.
That's cool, bro.
Bro, what happened?
Man, I was washing the car, man. Had an appointment for a service this morning.
I know you ain't even take nothing.
Nah, I couldn't take it on the phone, bro.
Brian, did you see the BS that happened though?
Yeah, I saw it.
Good job.
I said
Way
in
to
the
avoid
chat.
it.
Nah, I said in the chat. I said it's a little resistance right there that it keep hitting.
Was it though? Where? I'm on the 15. It closed above everything. Or are you talking about right here?
Yeah, I was just talking about on the way up. Yeah, right there.
And it's so funny because it got me in and fell out. And then it got me in again. I didn't even see it get me in. It got me in and I started out like negative 15. I was like, bro, is this like platform error? Bro, like no cap. I want to go back and watch the stream because I did not see that thing get me in at all.
You got in at what?
Negative 27 or negative. I'm like, what happened?
I said you got in at what, like 474?
4074.1 the first time. And so let's see, 4071.4 the first time. That was at like 9. Got in a little bit of profit, fell out. Yeah, it was right there. Got in a little bit of profit, got an 8-pip profit. I'm on a 1 minute. Fell out. Minus 31.
Yeah.
Or minus 34. I had a minus 27 pip stop. Came up again. Re-entry. Fell the hell out. I'm like, bro.
Yeah, I was just looking at it on the 5-minute. It was like 5-minute resistances, even though that really don't really matter. Yeah, it don't really matter like that for real.
Yeah, I ain't. Okay, that makes sense. Yeah, I'm not usually worried about 5-minute resistances too often, especially because I'm looking on the 1 hour and I'm seeing this.
I wish I would have got home in time for for the sale that just happened.
Where would you have taken
below 40.72?
Yeah, I mean, you had a support right there that is rejecting out of a little bit on the 5. But I'm looking at, I don't know, bro. We getting a little tight right now. That's the only thing. Because if the 1 hour close, or I'm sorry, the 15-minute close is like this, you in the middle of no man's land. You got a support right there, resistance right there. If it closes like this, you got a little something, but like what you really trying to get in there?
Nah, I was saying like
no, not you. I'm saying in general, like a person trying to take that trade. But I know what you're saying. Probably like
I would have got in. I would have got in like on the 15-minute. I probably would have got in on the wick up on the previous candle and took it down on the break of the previous candle.
So this clean down into there.
Yeah, but that's all I need.
Boy, all you need, you need this.
Yeah, that's all I need right there.
Yeah,
but
like
I probably won't take none today though. Chilling.
Yeah, you come talking about coming back here at 9:30. I think personally, this is me. Let's see, this is me just thinking out loud. I'm thinking you damn near looking for the best setup under here again.
Yeah.
Which might not happen until 10.
That's far away.
That's 55, 60 already just to get under there.
Yeah. So I don't know. We'll see.
And part of me want to keep riding this wave with Lucid because I keep getting blessed and I don't know how.
You talking about I keep getting blessed?
Bro,
what you mean? Wait, what happened today?
I have a ×3 multiplier on Lucid Trading, right?
Yeah.
I made 269 on these accounts. I took one loss, one win. I win more than I lose. When I take a loss, I make more than a win. Okay, cool. Trade-A-Bait to Trade-A-Bait, it goes 1-to-1. 269 times 2 is 528. Bro, when for some reason, for whatever the hell reason, it can slip me bad, but it's just been slipping me good lately. Bro, it's 269 turn to 1551.
It's getting you out of the best exit possible.
Bro, it's getting me, but it can do that on the loss too.
Get you out of the worst loss possible.
Worst. And because you remember that day last week where I was like, bruh, I'm missing 10 pips. And I be trading 8s and 9s. So when I trade 8s, that means that, bro, it's missing me by $800 times 5 accounts. But
yeah, that's crazy.
But for whatever the fuck reason today, like, bruh, 1551 on this account, 1131 on this account, 1401, 1461, 1401. I might be blocking my blessings. Like, at what was a curse last week, I was cursing them out, seeing what I needed to do to transition my accounts over. And now I'm getting blessed. That may be God, because look how crazy God works though. I barely hit my consistency on this account and this account. 19.9. 19.81, 19.31, 19.30, 19.39. Like, I might as well just hold it out. I mean, I don't know. I just be liking to get ideas from different people. What you think?
What you mean hold it out?
It's great. It's great that it's working out like this. Like, yes, but should I trade it over to Trade-A-Bait just to have everything 1-to-1?
If you want to be more accurate, then yeah.
Because at the same token,
because you gotta the same way it's doing good, you gotta be ready for it to do bad.
And
so it's like personal.
Now I'm going down on my risk because I needed 4 or times 3 multiplier. Now I'm gonna do a times 2 multiplier. So I don't even want to get slipped too bad, because now with Lucid, their second profit target is only 3%. You might get blessed, brother. You might get blessed with a little something.
I mean, if you want it to be extremely accurate, I would do Trader Bait.
Bro, this 5-minute candle fell 150.
You see what I'm saying? I would have loved that.
You would have hated that on a 2.
Oh man,
I'm with you. I think, bro, I just took a trade for 8 minutes. Who am I?
Yeah, bro. I don't know what that is, because I would have been out.
And you know what's so crazy? The way it slipped me. It slipped me to right where I needed to get my consistency.
Bro, the drawdown would have fried me on the 2. I would have definitely got out.
Bro, it was minus 30 in a second. Like, bro, in a second. Yeah. I'm not bullshit.
You know I would have got out.
Bro, that's why I'm like, damn, like I damn near feel bad for some people that just had to
results may vary.
Bro, like I got in that bit. I want to say right here. And it's so crazy. Even the 1-minute candle, no bottom wick.
Bro, that's the longest trade I ever saw you sit in right there. That's longer than the one from 2 weeks ago. That was a whole 5-minute candle that was like 6 minutes.
Okay, that just filled the hole.
Crazy.
Well, it didn't though. There is a little bit of range left.
So do I take it on the way up?
You be doing that. Look at this.
Oh, I just got it. Just got paid just now.
Did you take it?
Nah, I didn't take it, but I'm just saying.
This ain't terrible. There is a little support right there. But I mean, if you're trying to catch the rest of that, you can.
On the break of the low.
Yeah.
Should I
don't get mad at me, those folks who are about to take this, and if you lose.
Should I force something today though, man? I don't know.
There you go. You can still get in it.
Boom, what I got paid.
Let's see. Let's paper trade it. I'll at least just look at it.
No, I would have got paid just now because I'm out. I'm out on a 2 for 13.
Did you took it?
Nah, I didn't take it, but I'm just saying,
there you
like,
go.
I definitely would have got paid though, for sure.
There you go. Yep.
Wow. Imagine.
Right. Yeah.
I just caught that, fellas.
Yes, sir. I know my dog. One thing about Adrian, I'm gonna call that move out, and he gonna take it if he like it.
Boy, I just caught that jump for 33.
Hey, good little comeback on a 2 or a 1.
On a 1, but you know what?
Okay.
It ran really like 60. So I remember I was down like almost 360. It ran about 60 pips. I caught it, and I'm up 33 now.
Hey, call it a day. It was a little nasty day. It is what it is.
Hey, 100%. I'm done. I'm gonna lock out.
All right. Yeah, lock out. Analysis on that. 15-minute candle. Close below the range. Wick straight up. Break of this low. Targeting support right there on the 1 hour, on the 30-minute, on the 15-minute. Simple trade. I ain't take it, like I said. I got my payout coming for a cool 15 or whatever it is. But I'm glad my dog ate a little bit. Who else? I'm locked out. Roger said he got some. Ooh. Roger, you fall your way back at 2,600. One thing about Roger, my dog gonna fight back from the dead. What that was daily? Oh, I was about to
and
say
it's just clean. It's clean now.
Oh, it's good.
Boom! I just would have got paid again.
Look at my exit on these buys, bro.
Yeah, perfect,
bro. Those who see the vision gonna eat. Roger said he had 2,600. Roger, are you done for today? Oh yeah, he said he locked out. Oh yeah. catch a cool little 2 for 20 tomorrow and call that shit a day. This week been some bullshit. Now that was an easy move.
Yeah, for sure.
It's just like I said, where my mental is, I'm cool where I'm at. I broke even on this account, -$6, so that's the fees. I ain't really tripping. And I got 15 coming from them. And I only hit one of my targets on the Tradify account. So I got 4 that are right at me. Right. So go ahead and take that risk on down. I'm gonna reassess when the chart when everything get updated. I'm with you, bro. I think I need to go ahead. Like, this has been cool, but I think this is God telling me, like, bro, you cutting it close. Go ahead and just get it right.
He told me go ahead and just get it right.
Hey, this is 19.96. 19.81. 19.31. 19. Bro, that could have been, I could have been a pip off and not hit it. Not have been in there chasing waterfalls.
Well, you just made it on that trade right there.
Oh yeah.
Right now.
Oh yeah. And what's so funny, I be telling people, I don't need the whole move. I'd have been comfortable right here. But those that can really just hold that bit, bro, you talking about within the last 4 minutes.
Yes.
Wick up for 40, wick to 120, 1 to 3. Paid, bro. Paid. I called it, bro. I called it out loud. Like I said, I'm cool. Like I'm just cool on the day. Like I'm mentally cool. But like the moves are there. That's your 2. That's your 2 for. It's funny though, because like with volume like that, bro, you can't even throw a 2 for 15. Like it'll jump too quick. Unless you got a TP. You say go up.
You think it's gonna flip? Nope.
If it flip, you gonna take it up. It's getting out. Hey, I already know what we're looking at. Support. 4-hour support. Came right into it, rejected it, flip up. Don't call it a comeback now. Or I would say a 15-minute closure below here, 1 hour closure below here. But bro, you got like 4 hours.
I'm about to snipe something.
You gonna snipe something? I can't wait to text Roger after this shit. Roger. I know that boy was deep in thought over there. That boy was probably like, man, there's always some bullshit. As soon as I get close. I was on the same time. Trust me, I was on the same time. Yeah. They said I gotta hit him up to transfer my data. So I'm gonna hit him up. Say,
oh, let me get off here if I take some bullshit.
The move is done.
Yeah, it's over with.
It's done. That was the move. Now we get into a 4-hour support, which is also a 1 hour, right around a 1 hour support. If you want clean moves,
I was gonna take it on the rebreak of that 5-minute low, but I'm not even gonna force nothing. I'm done.
Yeah.
After that wake up, but it's just like it's great to see it hindsight.
It is, and like that's why I said I called it. As long as you know what you're doing, that's really what's most important. But it'd be nice to catch.
It is terrible. I'm mad that I didn't catch nothing today. But knowing me, if I would have took the second trade, I would have took the loss.
Nah. That shit was too simple. I should have taken it.
I
said, I don't know why I'm not taking moves on this account like that. Like I'm not really, I guess I'm just in a different mindset a little bit. That's what it is.
Because this one right here would have been the third move that sell. Yeah. But on the second move, the first one I would have took a loss, and then the second one I would have took a loss because it dropped negative 30.
Yeah.
So I definitely
your account would have been done.
I would have took a loss today for sure. So,
oh yeah, you would have been done with your 25Ks. You'd have been took. Nigga,
So
I
it's
saw
all
25.30. I saw 25.30 minus.
yeah.
Right hand on the Bible, 5 seconds.
I would have chalked it up.
So that's it. That's just it. I'm ready to transfer my data subscription to TradeAway.
Oh, you can blur backgrounds with a regular camera? Oh, that's tough.
Yeah, Roger, my brother. It's no explaining this shit, bro. Every day this week, on God, I've taken a loss and a W, y'all. Every single day. Everyone.
The second trade been good though.
Oh yeah, the second trade.
The play out of the first trade.
It's one trade.
Yeah.
It's one.
Yeah,
trade.
it's one
It's
trade.
one idea.
Yeah, it's one idea for sure.
It's one idea. That's all it is. Over and over and over and over and over again. But again, that's why I be telling people the direction be right, but being a scalper, you gonna get fucked up sometimes. That's just how the game gonna go. If you want to hold, you gonna have to put your stop loss like back in the range, anticipating that price can make a deeper bottom wick. Like it's a whole bunch of shit you can do. But with James Kirkland trading 8s and 9s, voice.
Yeah, I need to lock out, and I didn't even take nothing today. I'm itching to take some.
But with Lucid now, I'm about to hit my first payout. So my private target is now gonna be 4,500. So that means that if I trade 2s on per dia, all I need to do is trade 4s max on them other accounts to get to 4,500. I ain't even playing that game.
I'm not gonna lie. If I get a closure below at 10, James, I'm taking some.
I might take it with you, but it got to close below what though?
For what I'm trying to do,
bruh, we are dumb
Like,
close to a 4-hour closure. If this bitch closed below here, oh my God, we going down.
yeah, that's what I was just looking at. That's why I said if it closed below, I'm taking something. Not gonna lie.
It ain't gonna close below. I'm with you. I'm here with you. If it close, I want a closure below this too on the 1 hour, thinking it should come into there. Long targets like down into here, the daily lows. But the 4 hour is right here.
I think it's gonna do it. It's 3 minutes. If it don't do it in 3 minutes though, I will be getting off.
Roger, look at Roger. Don't do it now. I know Roger want to throw that one for a little 20. Make tomorrow real easy.
Yeah, that joint gonna mess up my profit, huh? I make too much today, right?
Nah, you got a 50K. The most you can make in a day is 600. My fault, 600.
Oh, okay.
So 20% consistency rule, 3,000 times 0.20, 600. So
Gotcha.
You good.
Well, yeah, I'm in it then. Yeah, I'm taking. That's all I do.
I'll see. I need at least a closure under the 4 hour, at least. Because if we just reject.
If I get that closure below, James, I promise you, I don't want it to break the low right now. The current candle low, it don't need to break it.
I want it to come right here.
It don't need to break it. It just need to chill before it do what it do. But it's about to break it right now. It just broke it.
I like this. I like it. I wanted to do this because it just need to come down here, bro.
Oh, it's okay. I promise you I'm going to take it.
Bro, that's 30 pips of that. Come on, baby. Do it. I'm locked out on all my chat. I'm locked out on all my funding accounts. The only thing I have on the table right now is my top one pre-live account, which I'm down $300 on. I would love a cool little 2025.
Yeah, 25 get you paid.
What did you say that one time? You said if you would have taken that 17.
Yeah, you would have got paid.
But this ain't, so what fucked me last week is what got me right today. I stayed in it, trust the analysis.
Good wifey
can't
dinner
waver,
money,
though.
man.
You can't waver though. When you got money to play with, it's a different ball game. Come on, man. Y'all got me lit now.
This account that you on right now, is called Wifey Dinner Live. Wifey Dinner money.
Yeah, that's all that is. That's all that is. Because best believe these accounts are good and done for the day. Them cooked. Them been done. What I look like. Now we on to trying to make a little quick 200, 300. That's all we trying to do here. Let's see.
That's okay. I got 45 seconds till I get some money on it.
Roger's so funny, bro. Because he said, fuck it, I'm going to just root for y'all. And then left. I said, let's go. Come on in. Like and subscribe for the W, chat. Leave a wick. Give us a top wick. I'm not worried about these supports to the left. For real, because I'm looking at the 1 hour wicks to fill and everything. I need a wick.
All right.
I need a wick.
Do what I need you to do now.
Get up there. How much is this? Is that enough? 25, 30. Is that enough? I wanted to break his own high again, but it's gonna go. Maybe.
It is gonna go. Lord have mercy.
I'm scary, bro. I'm too scary. I'm too scary,
bro. I'm not gonna lie. I tried to put a sell stop. I couldn't even do it fast enough.
Adrian, did you catch that?
No, I didn't catch it. I was too slow.
Hey y'all, hey, that's my day, bro. I can't play this
I'm
game.
done, bro. That's the move right there. That's what I've been looking for.
Bruh, I'm telling you, I said,
that was
it's
it right
breaking
there. Yep, that was it.
That was it. That's it. That's all. That's the only range, unless you want to play the game of trading the daily loads. We are 110 pips away from. I can't. Don't be scary now.
I wasn't being scary. It's just like I couldn't put it. I couldn't put it there fast enough.
Yeah. Nah, I know. Damn. Bro, that happened in like.
It's like it spiked up, and as soon as it broke the low.
This is 1 minute candle.
That's irritating. It's all good though.
Bro, let me go to I can go to the seconds, bro.
I should have just clicked market buy.
Sell market.
I should have just bought.
Bought?
But it's all good. Click buy.
Sell. But yeah.
Or click sell, my bad.
Now you good. Entry. I've lost a break even. It's gonna make a top wick if you want to catch that. Go ahead and force that bit. Go ahead and force that for 15. It's gonna make the top wick up into here. That's my day. I can't force nothing. I can't force nothing. But it's gonna make this top wick though. Or whoever really itching, because it just came into this support right there. Damn, you making me want to take something, Tonio. Fuck. You my devil on the shoulder today.
No, you don't have. No, you do not have to.
There you go. Boom. All right, that's my day. I done called 3-4 moves over here. It came right into this little support area. It's making a top wick. It's likely going to continue to come down, but all I anticipated was this is going to make a top wick. So we can look at the 1 minute time frames right here. Boom, 25, 30 pips right there. So, all right.
Hey, let's bro.
Right. The next move, and I'm gonna give you one last one, is a 15 bullish closure back above something, but I'm off. I'm just playing around. We missed this one. We missed this one. No, don't do it.
They just happening dumb fast, but it's all good.
Bro, 1 minute.
Yeah, it's okay. All right.
All right, Adrian,
Peace
be
out.
safe, be
All
smart.
right, fellas.
Antonio, be
All right.
smart. I'll catch
See
y'all
y'all
soon.
tomorrow.
Yep.